It's me, Michaela, and my brother, Carlos. Today we're going to be making Forky from Toy Story 4. Let's open the package. And here is Forky's body. We got the dough. And the pipe cleaners for his arms. And oh my gosh, guys, I don't want to break this. We got the wax sticks for his eyebrows and his mouth. And then, where'd all this stick go? Right here. It was stuck in the box. So these are his legs. They're just 2 popsicle sticks. And his eyes and the rainbow sticker. Are you ready to start making more? He already put his arms on. So now I'm going to start making mine. First, I'm going to start with the eyes. So here's the googly eyes. I'm going to peel them off and stick them onto the So here's his eyes. Now we're going to do the eyebrows and the mouth.
Bonnie made a friend in class.
Oh, she's already making friends.
No, she literally made a new friend. Hey, it's okay. Come on out, that's it. Come on, there you go. Come on, let's get you out of there. You got this. Good. Everyone, I want you to meet Forky.
Golly, Bob House. Look how long his arms are.
Woody, why am I alive? You are a toy. You belong to Bonnie. These are your friends.
Woody, I have a question. Well, actually not just one. I have all the questions.
Okay guys, so I got his eyebrows and I'm still making the mouth. Alright guys, I'm done with the face. Looks like my brother is almost done with his. We're gonna do the arms. Oh. Okay guys, so I got my Play-Doh and my sticks. So now I'm gonna put the legs on. And I already got the arms. Oh no. It's coming. Oh. Carlos just fell apart. Now let's put the legs. If you guys haven't seen the movie, make sure you check it out. You can see this funny clip of Forky going into the trash can.
Trash? No, toys. They're all toys.
Trash.
No. That's the trash. These are your friends.
Hello.
Trash. Shh. No, it's okay.
Woody, I have a question. Well, actually, not just one. I have all of them. I have all the questions.
Why does he want to go to the trash?
Because he was made from trash. Look, I know this is a little strange, but you gotta trust me on this. Forky is the most important toy to Bonnie right now.
Yeah, guys, we have all the characters from the movie. Yeah. Gotta get Rex out first. So this is Rex, and this is Buzz Lightyear. I'll open the other ones once I'm done with my Forky. It's Rex. Here's the legs. But the last part we need to do is write Bonnie on the bottom. Squeeze. There, I opened the hole. And now I have Buzz Lightyear. Here we go. It says Bonnie. And I almost forgot the rainbow sticker on the foot. And here's Forky. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, look at this. This looks like the real Forky. No, mine does. Now we could open more Toy Story characters. First, we're gonna open Woody. Here's Woody. He looks so cool. Now, let's do Bo Peep. This is my favorite character. Ah! Ow, my eye. No. Whoa, she just jumped out of the package. Here's Bo Peep. Next to Woody. And the last one is Forky. Here's Forky. Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Have you seen the movie yet? And which is your favorite character?